Welcome to Farmasy. Farmasy was established in 1950s by Tuna family, and now it became one of the largest direct selling, manufacturing and cosmetics facilities in the world. In Farmasy, we not only operate in Turkey, but also operate in more than 30 countries worldwide. In each of these countries, we do have offices, distribution centers and warehouses. So basically, Farmasy has a physical presence in almost all continents. This place, Farmasy, which is the headquarters of Farmasy, is located 30 minutes outside of the city in a very ecological and natural environment. This place is more than a factory. That's why we call it Farmasy. In this facility, we have laminated tube and plastic packaging production, bar soap, makeup, skincare, fragrance, home cosmetics, and food supplement facilities. We also have storage and fulfillment operation facilities here. The most important point that sets this place apart is its capacity for sustainability. Here, we generate our own electricity with our solar panels. We obtain our own water from nature. We also grow our own food in our own greenhouses. We have a very comprehensive treatment plant for our waste. Now let's take a look at our social opportunities in Farmasy. Here we have 96 resident units and 4 villas. Both our customers and our colleagues can use these accommodation areas free of charge. Our restaurant quality kitchen, outdoor swimming pool, meeting rooms, and gyms are also at the service of our guests and colleagues. Numerous meeting rooms, seminar and conference rooms, a showroom, and a terrace for social events make our business life more effective. The most important feature of our facility is that it is vertically integrated facility. It is also a vibrant environment that is constantly renewing and growing. We produce almost all of our products from A to Z here with our own facilities. We first formulate our products in our research and development departments. After the production phase, we also manufacture the packaging in-house. After a flawless process, now our products are ready to meet our customers. This is our fascinating R&D department. We have countless amazing engineers working here, and we formulate over 500 new formulations every single year. Each and every one of our team members works on the latest and newest products every day. Each new product goes through a quality control and approval process by our company's senior executives and family members. This is our bulk manufacturing facility, aka the kitchen. After the products are being formulated, they come here and go through the bulk manufacturing process. This place has a capacity of tens and thousands of tons of production every single day. We can meet the entire needs of many large countries in one day from this facility. Our bulk production department consists of hundreds of machines procured from different countries around the world. As Farmasy, we find the best machine wherever it is in the world and we bring it to Turkey. We can produce 360 million kilograms of products here annually. This means an annual volume of about 1 billion pounds. That's 90 kilograms of product per minute or 200 pounds a minute. These figures are far beyond what we can imagine. While we produce the inside of our products in our production department, we also produce their packaging in our facility. The plastics and laminated tube facilities in our plant also work simultaneously. These facilities basically produce many parts such as laminated tubes, plastic bottles, caps and sleeves. Now let's check out our laminated tube facility. The tubes manufactured in this facility are being used in products such as creams and toothpaste. We have 3 ultra-advanced machinery in this facility. We can produce 100 million pieces of packaging annually on these lines. In addition, one of the biggest features of our laminated tube facility is that it works with robotics and automation. We have the ability to produce this volume of capacity almost without human intervention. Now let's check out our plastics manufacturing facility, which is right next door to laminated tube. Follow me. Now we're inside our plastics manufacturing facility. In this facility, we do injection molding, blow molding, and hybrid processes. We use the most advanced technology and everything is automated. Now we can move towards the areas where the final product is being made. Now let's check out our first final product facility, the bar soap facility. In this large facility, we have a fully automated process. This is an Italian origin facility with the world's most advanced technological equipment. We feed the input with soap paste and formula. We then take it through the mixing, sizing, shaping, and packaging stages. When this process is completed, the product is ready to meet our customers. And just like that, product in my hand. Now please follow me. I'm gonna take you to the liquid filling station. There are more than 30 different lines in our liquid filling facility. Within these lines, tester fillings, liquid product fillings, in other words, products such as shampoo and lotion, perfume filling, balm filling, and filling of all of our products. These are my favorite products. One of the most unique machinery in our facility is this one called CMI. This is the most advanced liquid filling units in this planet. Everything in this line is automatic. The packaging to be filled is automatically fed to this line. The semi-finished product from the production facility is automatically transferred here, and the filling, packaging, and parceling are done. This line, also of Italian origin, has a filling capacity of 120 million liquid products per year, and it can produce more than 300 products per minute. How fast is that? Now we are in our makeup facility. In this facility, we have more than 30 different production lines. We can almost produce any kind of makeup in this facility. One of my favorite lines in this department is our lipstick filling line. I remember that I personally went to Germany and received this assembly unit with quality control approval. This line is also fully automated. It works almost independently of the operator. Here, the machine performs many functions on its own. For example, taking the empty packaging, aligning it, writing the necessary information on it with electricity and heat, producing the lipstick inside the mold, putting the products into the packaging. Then it passes through the quality control station, sealing the lids and packaging. All of these processes are fully automated. This line is one of the most technologically advanced in the world. Here we can produce 25 million pieces of solid lipsticks per year. That's 60 lipsticks per minute. Now it's time for our most iconic production line. This line, which we integrated by blending German and Far Eastern technologies, performs powder pressing and filling functions. Our pallets also come out of this line. We have a nickname for this machine in Farmasy family. We call it the ducks. Rather than calling it a three-dimensional artificial intelligence powder press machine, we call it ducks. It's much sweeter and they look like ducks. In this line, our powder products are pressed into their molds, and then robots take these products and align and place them. Again, robots take the packaging and match it with these products, place them inside, and then glue them. After that, the quality control phase begins. Then the products are automatically placed in their packaging. It's fun to watch this line in action. 12 million powder products can be made here per year. That's 30 products every minute. I want to present you the newest member of Farmasy. This is the newest member and it was built a year ago, our nutrition supplement factory. This factory is state-of-the-art and made with the best and highest quality. All the standards of this facility, which has multiple capabilities that can produce powder, liquid, gummies, capsules, tablets, and effervescent products, were made according to hospital standards. One of the most important features of this facility is that entry and exit is forbidden. Even I'm not allowed inside. Our friends working inside go through a very serious disinfection process. All of our production and filling rooms in the facility are high pressure. The corridors outside the rooms are low pressure. In other words, if there are any dust particles inside, they are thrown outside of the room, thanks to the pressure difference, and the products always remain cool. Apart from that, the temperature, pressure, efficiency, and speed values of all of the rooms in our facility can be monitored from our main dashboard. We don't need to go inside. After the products are produced, they are filled and passed through small windows to the outside area. It is forbidden to go inside during this process. No one can interfere with the content of the products. We can produce more than 200 million products per year in this facility. Now I want to present to you one of the fun parts of our factory, Farmasy, the e-commerce fulfillment center. This fulfillment center uses the most advanced technology on the planet. As soon as our customers and entrepreneurs place an order here, a very detailed process begins. First, the products are collected in parcels for each order. This assembly process, which occurs in two different ways, is actually very interesting. The first is the automatic unmanned collection process. We call it the A-frame. In this process, the products ordered are automatically collected into the parcel. Very large or heavy products that cannot be collected automatically are collected on a different line. This line is called pick-to-light. In this system, the light of whichever product needs to be picked lights up in front of our worker. Our worker puts this product in the box and turns off the light. In this way, no missing, excess or faulty products are sent in any order. Although our processes are automated and robotic, there are a few more quality control processes. The orders where the products are collected automatically pass through the weighing station on their way to the closing unit. This weigh control station checks that the weigh of the products requested in the order are the same as the weighs of the products actually picked. So, in other words, it actually compares what is picked to what is supposed to be picked. If our system detects an error, the parcel goes to an additional quality control station. In this phase, the order is double-checked for the missing or faulty products and the quality of the packaging. Afterwards, the orders are delivered to our customers without any problems. We have one or more facilities like this on every continent. Now let's talk a little bit about our warehousing capacity. Here in Farmasy, we can carry about 500 trucks worth of stock in this single facility. At Farmasy, we actively store at least 6 months of finished products and 12 months of raw material stock. Although this may seem like a serious cash burden, our priority is always perfect service. As mentioned in the entrance, we produce our own electricity, water and foods. This is one of the locations that we produce organic foods inside our facility. We call this place Farmasy, but it might be better to call it the Farmasy Country. I hope you guys enjoyed today's tour. I personally tried to show you all around Farmasy. Obviously, this is just the tip of the iceberg. I'm looking forward to meet you all here in Farmasy.